Hey everyone, Sarah here, back again with another 3D Sunshine build video. So you can see that we've started facing our village, and today I wanted to try building underwater, and thankfully we have a large deep ocean right behind us. So today's experiment is going to be building a base underwater, if I can get there. I have tried this before, just building a simple glass sphere underwater, and trying to empty the water out of the sphere once it was built was very difficult without drowning, and I definitely didn't succeed. So I'm hoping that using 3D Sunshine's tools will make that really easy. So we're going to build a big sphere underwater right here. We're going to clean it out, and then we're going to build a little path leading up to the shore here, and that'll be the start of an underwater base, which I think will be really fun to play around in. Okay, so now we're in 3D Sunshine, and we can see over the area where I was intending to build. Now, I believe when I logged out, I was standing somewhere over here, and I think there needs to be a change in plans, and let me show you why. So we're looking down over the area where I wanted to build my sphere, but if we go down underneath the water, we can't actually see the ground under the water at all. And what's worse is that I think it's under the gray plane, which is not somewhere I feel very inclined to work at the moment. And you can see we've got caves. I think it's auto-saving. Yeah. And you can see that we can see all of the cave systems that are in the chunk that I have loaded at the moment. So instead of doing a glass sphere underwater, I think what I'm going to do is a system of rafts. And I'm not entirely sure how that's going to turn out yet, but I'm going to give it a try and we're going to see. So let's start by building a single raft, and the idea is that I basically want a wooden block of some type. I think I want it down in the water. I don't know if I can get away with that. I might have to delete the water and put it in the hole. So we'll delete something, sure. And we'll grab a single block, put it down in the water, and then drag it out. Where is our box tool? Okay, I think my scale is a bit wrong because I'm reaching really far back to reach things. So what was I going to do? I was going to take a sheet. So we're going to take a sheet of this, and we're just going to make it a decent thing to stand on. And now I think we're going to, ooh, that's really strange looking. Now I think we're going to take some fence and fence this off so that we don't fall in, or maybe not the whole thing, because I think we have the sense to not fall in the water, but maybe we'll just fence off part of it just to look cool. So let's go to the part tray and let's find some fence. Stairs, bricks, torches, glass. Oh, I hope I didn't miss it. If there's no fence in here, I might be out of luck and need to change my plans again. I also wanted log. Log is jumper wood, spruce wood, oak wood. Let's take some good old oak wood and replace the sand because we're not going to use that. I'm going to take one more look through, and then if I don't find it, I'll have to come up with a backup plan. Okay. Well, if I look through and I missed it because I'm not observant, I'm sorry. So what can I use other than fence? Or do I not bother? Do I not bother with fence? I think we're going to not bother with fence. So let's put the part tray back. And let's start building a path out from this raft. Okay, this is kind of hard to follow, so I think in the future, before I drag out something, I'll want to delete the blocks that are already there. Maybe I can do that. And I'll just redrag this one out. That's fine. Okay, so now let's drag our sheet back out again. Here we go. Okay, cool. That's easier to follow. Okay, so now let's make a pathway. And I kind of wanted these to look like floating logs. I don't know if I put the log in this way, if it'll stay that way, or if Minecraft will want to reorient it upright. So we're going to find out. So let's put this in the ground. Right about there is fine. And let's move this path around. Let's take this path back. Saving. Okay, let's take the path back this way, I think. So we'll delete. Align this way. Let's just go all the way back to shore with it. That's fine. Okay. Now we'll line. And we'll just take this all the way back to shore. Okay, so that's the start of our path. So now let's put some more of these around, and then we'll just fill them in with path, and we'll see how that looks. It'll be a very fast and surprisingly easy build, but this would have been much harder to do in survival, I think. So let's put another one over here somewhere. So we'll just delete a block. Put down some planks. Let's see, where do we want that? Let's bring that farther out this way, and let's make it not square. So let's go out this way. Okay, I guess we're going to go back this way. And let's come out just 4, so it'll be long and thin for a platform. Okay, and now we'll make a sheet of this. Now I'm just going to cut back, and then I'm going to do the whole sheet once. Okay, that looks good. And let's do another small one right here. And how small do I want small to be? Let's just do 4 by 3. Oh, that was the wrong tool. That's okay. Let's do another. Let's do another small one over here. So let's see, delete the block. Where am I? There we go. Put some planks in there. Let's do something like this. Fill it in. Let's do a small one in here. Maybe we'll do another bigger one in here. And just carve out a section for this. Okay, so I think I deleted some water down here. It looks like I did. And now I am going to take the time to fill this back in. And the reason that's important is because I think if I left it, this would fill back in with water flow blocks, which are distinct from water source blocks, which is what I think all of these are. And so I would like all of this to stay source if I can. Okay, cool. So now we'll go back to deleting water. Now I assume if I did this without deleting water, it would still work when I logged into Minecraft, but for now I'd like to avoid the draw artifacts we were having before with this first platform where everything was really shimmery, just to make it easy. Okay, cool. Now we'll fill this one in. Okay, that is quite a few platforms now. Oh. Okay. I think I want 1 or 2 small ones out here. Maybe just one right about here. 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, so that's 2 by 3. Let's do 3 by 3. And put this down. and fill it in. Okay, cool. So now we can start filling in pathways. And I think the way I want to do this is I want this path to come either down this way or across this way, and I can't decide which. I think I want it to come across this way. So I'll take that one out. What? Oh, I need to be in the delete tool. So I'll take that and come out this way. And now do I want this centered? I think I want this off to the side a little, just for some visual interest. And now we can lay down our block sideways and see if it stays sideways. And I think just to get decorative, I'm going to do these in different orientations. How did I do this one? Okay, yeah, so this matches that orientation, and then this end here will be upright. That should look really interesting. Okay, and this path. I get the feeling this is going to be a very short video today, but I really don't mind because I think we're going to show that we can generate something really interesting really quickly. Okay, so now to connect to this platform, do I want to connect here, or do I want to connect off of the platform to off of this platform? I think, or I could come out, go this way, so that I have to sort of double back to get there. No, I like keeping things efficient, so I'll probably come off this way. So let's delete this. And just like we did on that other one, I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to put that one upright. So where are my logs? Here's my logs. So I can put that down in there. I can make another one sideways. And now I can drag that out. Okay, cool. So now let's drag this off this way from here, I think. So we'll come out this way. Where do I want it to connect on this platform? Let's say right about here. I'll drag this all the way back. And we'll put our logs in. So let's put this one upright. Let's put this one upright and in the right spot. And keep our log grain consistent. Let's just put it here. It's easier to reach. And now we'll fill it in. There's one. There's two. This is already looking really cool. I'm really excited to get in and play with this. And now these two little ones I'd like to have coming off of here. So let's delete first. From here straight back. Put in our logs. And draw it out. I suppose I could have done this a little faster if I deleted all of these paths first and then went back and filled all of them in with logs instead of going through and doing it part by part like I've been doing. But I don't think it matters all that much. Okay, and the last one. So I want to come out here because I like to be centered on these smaller platforms. But on these bigger ones, it's okay if they come from different places. So maybe it would be more interesting if it came from back here or if it came from up here. This is just barely offset enough that it looks awkward, but here it's very obviously offset. Just a small sort of design thing. All right, cool. So let's fill that last one in, and then we can go play with it. There's one. There's two. And a bit of an awkward angle, but there's three. Draw these out and we're done. Okay, so let's zoom out and get a better look at this. That actually looks really nice. Maybe I'll go back in and put fences on it when I'm in Minecraft, or maybe some stairs would be a good way to add some visual interest. But I'm imagining that each of these will be like a little aspect of a base. Like some people have like their brewing area and then um, their storage area, and like a furnace area and all sorts of things. And I've never actually progressed far enough in Minecraft for all of that to matter to me. So maybe if I live in this world for a long time, I'll start to fill this out. And there's still all this water off to this side that we haven't even looked at yet. So maybe when I'm in game, I'll just expand it farther out that way. Okay, I'm excited. Let's take a look. Okay, and here we are back in Minecraft 1.8.9. Let's load up our world. And I should be right on that cliff overlooking the ocean if I remember correctly. Whoa! Oh man, that looks really awesome. Oh, and I have torches with me. I could leave some torches out there, and that would look really nice at night. So let's put some torches in these corners. Let's see, where else do I want one? Let's put one in the corner of this platform. I'm sorry my playing is really awkward today. I'm rearranging my computer and I temporarily don't have a wireless mouse and keyboard, which is why I'm really awkwardly close to the screen right now. But I'm working on that. I might get another one at some point. And one more torch on this last platform. Okay. It looks really strange during the daytime, but I think at night that's going to look really nice. Just a subtle highlight. Thank you for joining me for another 3D Sunshine build video. If you've liked what you've seen today, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.